Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 29 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. The question goes like this. The three vertices of a rhombus PQRS are P2, minus 3, Q 6, 5 and R minus 2, 1. Find the coordinates of the fourth vertex S and the coordinates of the point where both the diagonals PR and QS intersect. Let's draw a rough sketch of a rhombus. P is 2, minus 3, Q is 6, 5, R is minus 2, 1 and S is what we have to find out. Let's keep it as X, Y. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So on this basis we will solve this problem. Here PR and QS are the diagonals. Based on this property, this implies that the midpoint of QS is equal to the midpoint of PR. The formula to get the midpoint is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So the midpoint of QS becomes x plus 6 upon 2, y plus 5 upon 2. And the midpoint of PR is 2 plus minus 2 upon 2, minus 3 plus 1 upon 2, which is nothing but 0, minus 1. So we can equate both the x coordinates, that is x plus 6 upon 2 is equal to 0, and we can equate the y coordinates also. Y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 1, that is x is minus 6 and y is minus 7. The coordinates of the point S is minus 6, minus 7. And the coordinates of the point where the diagonals intersect is nothing but this point 0, minus 1. That is PR and QS intersect at 0, minus 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.